Welcome to Rome Tips. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up. All the links mentioned in this review are down in the description below. Also, keep in mind that this overview reflects my personal experience with the product. Today, we're taking a look at Zoho WorkDrive, a cloud storage and collaboration platform found at zoho.com/workdrive. WorkDrive aims to provide a comprehensive solution for businesses looking to manage their files, collaborate on projects, and streamline their workflows. It offers a range of features including file storage, syncing, sharing, and online editing, positioning itself as a robust alternative to more established players in the market. One of the key selling points of Zoho WorkDrive is its integration with other Zoho applications, creating a cohesive ecosystem for businesses already utilizing Zoho's suite of services. This interconnectedness allows for seamless data transfer and enhanced collaboration across various departments and teams. Furthermore, Zoho WorkDrive boasts strong security measures, ensuring data protection and privacy. Features like granular access controls, two-factor authentication, and audit trails contribute to a secure environment for sensitive information. Beyond basic file storage, WorkDrive offers features like online document editing, allowing users to collaborate on documents in real time without the need to download and re-upload files. Version history is also a crucial component, enabling users to track changes, revert to previous versions, and maintain a clear record of document evolution. For businesses handling large volumes of data, WorkDrive offers scalable storage options to accommodate growing needs. It also provides tools for team collaboration, such as shared workspaces and team folders, facilitating streamlined communication and efficient project management. Another noteworthy aspect is the platform's user-friendly interface, designed for ease of navigation and accessibility. Even users unfamiliar with cloud storage solutions should find WorkDrive relatively straightforward to learn and use. Zoho WorkDrive offers various pricing plans to cater to different business sizes and requirements, ranging from free individual accounts to enterprise-level subscriptions with extensive storage and features. This flexible pricing structure makes it a viable option for businesses of all scales. Be sure to check out their website at zoho.com/workdrive to explore the different plans and see which one best fits your specific needs.